When do you take an idea and present it to the world? When do you take a vehicle out of idea out of R&D and start considering manufacturing? The truth is, there isn't a time when it's too early to start, but it sure is easy for companies to get ahead of themselves. To put a point on this, we've worked with companies who are more concerned about the amount of fume extraction required in their building before selecting which materials are needed for dispense. Using DFM and DFA with an automation partner who already knows what is needed is how early engagement can pay off. They will not only have familiarity with the materials required for product design, but also experience with any auxiliary equipment required to support a given process. However, it's too late to benefit from sound manufacturing principles if the product design has been frozen without considering some key points. A true partner also understands the need for flexibility. There is no shortage of factors that affect product design, and remaining flexible in the design phase of automation to keep up with a changing product is how strong partnerships succeed. But this comes to a point. At some time, the machine will need to be built and requires parts per the agreed design to validate machine performance. Pushing prototype builds and non-production intent parts through a machine acceptance is a common problem in the industry. It often results in the final integration of the machine on the customer's floor as production parts become available for the first time. Experienced manufacturers understand this and have staff capable of supporting their customers right through the start of production and beyond.